What's up world, my name is Rico. I am the CEO of Sourcefine Asia, and if you're wondering what we're going to be up to in 2019 besides me trimming my beard, we're looking to hire a marketing intern for the summer of 2019. So 2 to 3 months in Guangzhou, maybe 1 month in Chiang Mai, Thailand, where my business partner, formerly known as China Mike, now Chiang Mike, is located. And basically we're looking for somebody that can help us improve and promote our content. So all of the stuff that you've been seeing on the YouTube channel, social media management, things like that. And then I want to make more day in the life type videos. And then potentially in Chiang Mai, we're thinking about hosting sort of sourcing, big meetup over there. So if you're interested in applying, go to sourcefineasia.com/intern. And just to give you an idea of some of the stuff that we've done over the past couple of years, here's a quick little montage for you. Alright, so if you like what you see, again, go to sourcefineasia.com/intern. I took a lot of time to write the details into that page about the job post and sort of my expectations, and you can apply through that page. So again, sourcefineasia.com/intern, and I hope to see one of you guys. Anybody's welcome to apply, but one of you guys in China this summer.